Okay, action.
In Tangasheri, we are having a port over here. Port over here. That wall is still today, you can go and see. It's a very beautiful place near the seashore. Near the seashore. They are catching fishes over there. And it is actually, this place has to come as a biggest harbor will be situated, that is sure that that will come. And lighthouse is here, beautiful lighthouse is here. And many houses are there in that area. And even the tourists, if they come after some time also, till today also, again it is developing. So I think it's a very nice place in Tangi. And all three sides are with the sea, Arabian Sea. You can go to Tirumallavaram, is the next place from Tangi. It is Tangasheri only. The post is Tangasheri, but they call Tirumallavaram. There is also a very nice place to go there and for your tourism or whatever it is like. And most things are here like that. And then we got a seminary of fathers, becoming fathers. You know that seminary that is there here. Lady of Fatima shrine is here. Very nice place it is. What do you want?
Let's just talk about this first.
Yeah, I was just talking. Tank is a very good place, and most of the Anglo Indians are staying in the. It is their country only actually, Tangasheri. All the people are now in Australia, America, all over the parts of the world they are there. And we got a school, Infant Jesus, the most best school in Tangi. In Koilan, you can tell. It's an Anglo-Indian school. And there are, nearby, there are so many other schools. Mount Carmel is also famous. That's also very famous. Nuns are conducting that one. And this is fathers from. And we got a very nice church, Infant Jesus Church in Tangi. And now it is built newly and very beautiful church. And today is St. Joseph's Feast. We are having some food over there. And things are like that. And it is a very nice place, silent place. The Britishers only. That same language is going on in Tangasheri, the whistling language. There are two types, the American language and the British language. The British language is a whistling language in English, and the American language it is only halfway they speak. That is the difference. But the Tangi people, the Anglo-Indians, they are having the whistling language, and this is given to the other people trained. All the other religions are getting trained over in Tangasheri for the spoken. It's the best place for the spoken because the Anglo-Indian teachers was teaching before there was not even one out. On this Infant Jesus road only, Francedale is a place. Now he has sold that place. Another person has taken it. They actually, everybody calls them Singapore Saipu. And that house name is Francedale. So far the name is not changed, Francedale. But he is staying in Madras. And in Madras, I don't know that place, that name of that place. They got a graveyard also over there for suppose if anybody dies or something. So whoever it is from Tangi, we got a place over there also. Now he doesn't come here. He already sold that place and went from here. Singapore side. They are very, very old family in Tangi. And in Infant Jesus Road only, near the post office, that house is situated. That is Francedale. And there are so many other Anglo-Indians, all are gone. They are in Australia, a place called Lebanon. All are situated there. If you go there, you can see the full Tangi people over there. And for every Christmas and New Year day, certain time they come over. Or somebody dies, something like that, they will come over and go back.